Hi friends, it's me, your art-loving tech bear. Guess what? I just picked up these beautiful flowers, and I'm super excited. Because today, Monday, April 21st, at 5:30 p.m. Central Time, we're having a special YouTube live show. Ginger Cook will be painting this gorgeous flower market scene like the one behind me. Whether you love painting, want to learn new tips, or enjoy beautiful art, you won't want to miss this exciting episode. So grab your favorite snacks, bring your creative spirit, and join us live. Let's paint, chat, and have a blooming good time together. Don't forget, Monday, April 21st, 5:30 p.m. Central Time, right here on YouTube. See you there!